Okay, hello everyone. Today, we will present our Cisco network assignment that was designed by me, Lam Wing Sat, and my teammate, Chong Dong Min. First and foremost, I would like to show our final report that we made using Google Docs. Okay, so this is our table of content. As you can see, in our final report, we contain cover page, table of content, which is this one, Appendix A, Appendix B, assignment introduction, physical topology diagram, logical topology diagram, addressing table, BRSM and subnetting table, screenshot, digital resources, YouTube video link, and reference. So you can see this is our physical topology and also our logical topology diagram. For our addressing table, VRSM and subnetting table, we had used different color to represent different departments. So you can see here, different color for every department. And in our network, we have used class A to design our network and use 10.0.0.0 as our starting IP address to design this network. Okay. This is our location A. For the management department, we have 115,820 end device in total. For administrative department, we have 294,000 end devices. Marketing department, we have 382,200 end devices in total. And lastly, location A, research and development department, we have 490,000 end devices in total. So I will demo the ping. Firstly, I'll demo the ping from PC15. Let's ping to research and development department, which is PC6 here. You can see that for this PC6, the IP address is 10.48.0.3. Go to PC15 and open the command prompt. Ping 10.48.0.3. This to speed it up. Okay, you will see 25% loss. This is because this is the first time ping. The ARP doesn't have the record, so it will cause this loss. Let's ping it again the second time. Okay, you can see now it's all successful and we have 0% loss, which means that our PC15 has successfully pinged to this PC6. Next, I will demo this administrative department. Let's choose PC13. Okay, let's ping to PC4 here in location B, which is manufacturing department. The IP address is 10.32.0.4. Command prompt ping 10.32.0.4. Pick it up. Okay. Same, we have 25% loss because of the first time ping. The ARP doesn't have the record. Let's ping the second time. 0% loss. So, which means that PC13 has successfully pinged to PC4. Next, let's try marketing department pinging to living quarter PC2, which with the IP address 10.0.0.5. Let's select PC10 from marketing department. Command prompt ping 10.0.0.5. Read it out. 25% loss because of first time ping. ARP doesn't have the record. Second time ping, 0% loss, which means it is successful. PC10 ping to PC2 in living quarter department. Lastly, for location A, let's select PC7 from research and their department. Let's ping to, I think, marketing department also. PC9, PC10 also okay. Let's see. IP address 10.56.0.4. Prompt ping 10.56.0.4. Okay, this one it success the first time. So I don't need to ping it again because it's already successful to ping this PC7 to PC10. That's all for my part. Next, I will pass the presentation screen to my teammate Chong Dongmian.
Thank you, Lam Winsat, for your explanation. Now I shall continue the presentation with my part, which are location B and C. Okay. All right. As you can see, location B has the manufacturing part department, which is also indicated with the color green. It consists of 980,000 end devices and has PC 3, 4, and 5. As for living quarters, the living quarters department, it is within location C and has a total end device of 1.764 million. Now I shall try to demo a pinging process from PC3 to PC15. As you can see, the IP address for PC15 is 10.76.0.3. I shall copy that real quick and go to the command prompt and ping it. As you can see, it has pinged successfully with the 0% loss indication, which means that it has 100% success rate of pinging PC3 from manufacturing plant department to PC15 from the management department. Now I shall proceed with the same steps with PC0 pinging to PC6. As you can see, the PC6 IP address is 10.48.0.3. I shall copy that again and ping this to there, over there. As you can see, there is a request timeout and which result in a 25% loss. This is mainly because of the ARP recording and not having the recording yet. So we shall ping it once more. And as you can see, it has a 0% loss, which means that it has a 100% success rate of pinging PC0 from living quarters department to PC6 from research and development department. Okay, now I shall share screenshots, examples that we have did before. First of all, this is we have the living quarters department, which consists of PC0, PC1, and PC2. As you can see, we have pinged the IP address of 10.0.0.1 and 10.0.0.5, both of which are successful, as indicated with the 0% loss. We have also pinged the IP address from other departments such as 10.0.32.0.3, which is also 100% successful. And as for the others, these are the examples. Alright, now we shall proceed to the manufacturing plant department, which has PC3, PC4, and PC5. We have, as same as before, we have pinged the IP addresses of 10.32.0.1 and 10.32.0.5, which is also 100% successful. And we have also pinged the other department which is 10.0.0.3, which is also 100% success. Alright, and these are the rest of the examples. Okay, now I shall continue to the research and development department, which has PC6, PC7, and PC8. Now we have pinged the IP addresses of within the same department, which is 10.48.0.1. Again, 100% successful. And from other department to the other department, which is 10.0.0.3. Scroll down a bit. Okay, which is also 100% successful. Okay, as for the rest, these are the examples. And now we shall proceed to the marketing department, which is PC9, PC10, and PC11. Again, 100% success rate for the pinging in the same department. And as for the other departments, we have pinged the 10.0.0.3, which is 100% successful, and 10.32.0.3, which is also 100% successful. And now these are the other examples. Okay, now we are in the administrative department, which has PC12, PC13, and PC14. Again, pinging to the same within the same department, 10.64.0.1, will result in 100% successful pinging, and pinging to the other department, which is 10.0.0.3, which is also 0% loss, which is 100% successful. Okay, now these are the rest of the examples. Okay, last but not least, this is the management department, which has the PC15, PC16, and PC17. We have pinged to the within the same department of the IP address 10.76.0.1. Again, 100% success rate with 0% loss. And to the other department, which is 10.0.0.3 and 10.32.0.3, which again is 100% success. Okay, in conclusion, these are the rest of the examples. Alright, now I shall move to the conclusion. In conclusion, we can conclude that all of the PC can successfully pin to the other PCs regardless of department, as long as it is within the same network that we have designed. That is all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.